Now we will see some options in Page Layout tab. Here we have some predefined themes. Font colors, font styles are different from one theme to another theme. Now I am selecting normal theme. Like this, we can also select theme colors, fonts, and effects. In Page Setup group, we have some options. First one is margins. Here it shows some predefined measurements for top and bottom margins, left and right margins, header and footer. We have normal, wide and narrow margins. If we select custom margins, then we have to set measurement by our own for all these options. Next we have options portrait and landscape. Now it is in portrait so that it will print up to this column only. We can see its preview, so select print preview option in quick access toolbar. Here we can see the statement is printed up to IT column because we have selected portrait in orientation. So now I am selecting landscape. Here we can see all columns and it increases the wideness. Again I am selecting portrait. Next we have option page size. For example, I am selecting A5 and here we can see the page size is up to this column. Now I am selecting letter size and we can also set print area. For example, if we want to print only these 4 columns and we did not want to print calculation fields, then we have to select this area and select the option Set Print Area. In preview, we can see the data which we selected. And if we want to clear this area, then we have to select Clear Print Area option. We can also set page breaks. This is first page, second page, third page and fourth page. Because the sheet will spread horizontally and vertically so that we can set the page at required level. If we want to remove this break, then we have to select the option Remove Page Break. And this option is used to reset the page. Next one is background. We can also set background pictures for this sheet. And if you want to remove this background, then select the option Delete Background. Next option is Print Titles. With the help of this option, we can set the titles for the printed page. Already we have learned how to use these options in Page Setup group. For example, I am selecting these 4 columns. Next, we have to give rows to repeat at top. So, I am selecting this row. And next, we have to select columns to repeat at left. Here, we did not have any columns. So, I have given only rows and click on OK button. The selected data will print in all pages. But now we have only one page so that it shows the data in this page only. Now I am selecting Clear Print Area option. Like this, we can print the titles. Next, scale is used to stretch or shrink the printed output to a percentage of its actual size. Suppose it is in 100% and if we decrease the percentage, then this line is moved to next column. In print preview, we can see all the columns but it decreases its actual size. If we select 100%, then it will print like this. And if we increase the scale, then it will print the small data in large size. Now I have given 100%. In print preview, we can see the grid lines are not printed. So, if you want to show these grid lines in preview, then select this option. Now it shows grid lines. In same way, if we want to show the headings in print preview, then select this option. In print preview, we can see the row numbers and column names as a headings. Like this, first we have to set page settings and then we have to take print. If we select print, then it will send workbook directly to the printer. But it is better to give preview and then we have to select the option print. Here we have to select all pages or selected pages, and we can also give number of copies to print. And finally click on OK button, then it will print the output.